Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore dashboards in Microsoft Power BI with GA4, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin restoring dashboards in Microsoft Power BI with GA4, first, ensure you have access to both your Power BI account and Google Analytics 4. Log into your Google Analytics 4 account. Navigate to the property you want to connect to Power BI. In the left-hand menu, click on Admin. Under the Property column, select Data Streams. Choose the data stream that contains the data you want to pull into Power BI. Take note of the stream ID, you'll need this later. Next, open Microsoft Power BI Desktop. Click on Get Data in the Home ribbon. In the drop-down, select Web to connect to your GA4 data. In the URL field, enter the API endpoint for Google Analytics 4. The format should be https://analytics.googleapis.com/v1beta/properties/your_property_id/data:"run report single quote. Replace your _property_ID with the actual property ID from GA4. You will also need to set up authentication. Click on Advanced to add your authentication details. For access, use OAuth 2.0 and follow the prompts for authorization. Once authenticated, Power BI will retrieve your GA4 data. Select the desired dimensions and metrics for your dashboard. Click on Load to import the data into Power BI. After the data is loaded, check the data view to ensure everything has imported correctly. Next, switch to the Report view to start creating your dashboard. Drag and drop the visualizations you want onto the canvas. Use the formatting options to customize each visualization. Save your report frequently to avoid losing progress. Once you're satisfied with your dashboard, publish it directly to the Power BI service. In the Home ribbon, click on Publish. Choose your destination workspace and confirm the Publish action. After publishing, you can access your dashboard from the Power BI online portal. Make sure to regularly update the data by configuring a refresh schedule. Verify the data is reflecting any changes in GA4 by checking the dashboard visuals. Now you have successfully restored a dashboard in Microsoft Power BI using GA4 data. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.